Okay, look what I did today. I got 3 microwave oven transformers that I popped the lid off of and took out those shunt windings and shunt bars and wound an extra wind in between the space. And now I made these clamps to really hold it together tight so you don't lose much. If it's loose, it'll like hum and you lose power. So this will really keep those lids on tight. And also, if any of you have seen Hector's circuit for the rotovertor, where it has a run cap phase with a transformer coming off of it, there's a run cap and a series coupling cap and then another cap, and it's got another transformer between the input and the run cap, line 2 I call it, between L2 and L1, and he shows a transformer there with center tapped on one end, and I got one here. This is from an old battery charger, and I ripped it apart. And so here's the center tap, it looks like. And there's it's aluminum wire, so I need to get some way to connect those. These are also aluminum wire. It's thicker though, and I use these. I'd like to just solder it, but I won't be able to do that. Oops. So this would be that extra transformer down below. It keeps falling over. In that circuit of Hector's, and he shows a center tap. And anyways, so kind of lucky to find that. And these are going to be awesome, I think. I was video before last one, I used 2 of these in series on the low voltage side and then the high voltage side in parallel. So now I'm going to do 3 of them in parallel on the high voltage side. Really get a lot of copper winds going to throw that phase shift off. And we'll see what happens. And then I can run the these. Maybe I'll do this one parallel. We can see what the voltage is coming out, but I can't exceed 16 because I want to run an inverter with all this. So, and what you can do, Hector's been telling me, these extra winds here, you can regulate voltage with those. If you got too much voltage, you can hook these up backwards, you know, because they're each about a 1.5 volts extra you get. This one's got a lot of winds in there, so that's a pretty cool idea. Regulate voltage with extra winds between. So I want to show you this. There's an Alexa thing here, you know. Watch this. Alexa, play Feverish Bridge of Time Distortion.
Feverish Bridge of Time Distortion by Fucktones on Amazon Music.
All it all remains was the same old routine, approaching insane. Okay, well, special treat, the fucked tones. Here's Grieg, famous Norwegian composer. Okay, thank you for watching.